made you a bucky?
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Nkululeko Nkeo. I'm with Khawkhelo Sibata and Ubongani Mnisi, aka Ubobo. There's a statement from Imarumo Gallants. There was a story that they were involved in an accident with their bus that they were using with their players. They played over the weekend and I think they lost against Golden Arrows, if I'm not mistaken. There was a statement from the club to say that at least the players, everyone is fine. They say that there were 3 vehicles involved. And I think, I suppose, given that the bus is huge as well, it wasn't a huge incident from that perspective and that everyone was safe from their side. So all the best to Marumo Gallants and their players as well. In this video, we're going to talk about Orlando Pirates. I asked last week a very important question. How does Orlando Pirates get it right with young players coming into the team? If you think about Utabiso Munyane, for example, if you think about Utabiso Sesane, for example, in previous seasons, and if you think about Abombogazi, Mufukeng, Muhaungota, Cameron Danson now, every young player who comes in at Orlando Pirates seems to be able to slot in very nicely. It's very rare to find that, especially at a big club. Orlando Pirates, of course, is culturally huge in the country, millions and millions of fans. So with all that pressure, how are they getting it right in terms of making sure that their young players, they hit the ground running immediately? They had a good game against Mamelodi Sundowns. We might touch on that as well over the past weekend. So I want to talk about how do they get that right with young players and even new players as well. Abo Muremi, Abo Apolis, Umbata didn't take long as well. Maswangani didn't take long. It was just a few minutes for them. Play 1-2 games, already they become superstars. So maybe we'll try to speculate how Orlando Pirates gets that right in terms of, if you think about other players, they take 6 months to breed into their team. And later on in the video, we'll talk about the top 4 in the Betway Premiership. How is the picture looking like at the moment? Do we expect those teams to be there for the remainder? How does it look now versus how it looked maybe after 5 games as well? Bobzi, thank you very much for joining us. How are you doing, sir?
No, I'm good, Nkululeko.
Sure.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
How was the mood from Abalanda Derby Sundowns from the game previously? Did you get a lot of people agreeing or disagreeing online, of course, about TikTok? Because you were saying that Sundowns were lucky that they did not lose that game. And of course, the ball position statistics is revealing that Sundowns had the ball, but that's not the point. The point was that Orlando Pirates created more dangerous opportunities, even though there were not many. There was 1 or 2 or 3, but they could have been scored and won the game. But when you look at observe social media and Masanda Wana fans, what do they think about that game?
Yeah, I think Nkululeko, some of Mamelodi Sundowns supporters were happy because they understand that Sundowns so far is not the Sundowns lay efsekade sibona before. Said into understand ukuthi playing against the on-form Orlando Pirates while Sundowns is not doing well, playing a draw against that Orlando Pirates team, I think it's good to get ama results afana nalawo I draw. So abanye khona vele bazosho ukuthi no kumele siwawina ama game afana nalawo, but if udlala ne-Orlando Pirates it's an A game. Uyabona i-Sundowns isalekha lapho nalapho ayikakabi le Sundowns esiyazi kuyiyo. So if uzokwazi ukubamba i-draw on form Orlando Pirates, I think nako lokho kumele ukumukele as a Sundowns fan ukuthi no man, the team played very well even though singazange sithola ama results ebekade mhlambe siwa expect.
Yeah, but I suppose when you look at Iloftas and Orlando Pirates visiting Iloftas, because Ansena or Ribeiro, but the expectation is still there. They are visiting our slaughterhouse, but because you say what you're saying now, you're not on form at the moment, but before the game, in the build-up, there must have been an expectation you to
obvious. Sundowns, especially Madala and Pirates, a team efuna wina everything. Special model and a team efana ne Orlando Pirates. Ngakutshela ngathi kulama team wonke la ngathi singabiza ama big team. The only team ekhona uconsider ama goal against Sundowns is Orlando Pirates. So kuba khona ama expectation ukuthi no Orlando Pirates kumele ukuthi at least siyile kule game singabanikeza ichance ukuthi mhlawumbe bangasiyile, but also njengoba ngisho you must understand ukuthi iPirates kule season ibe ne depth enayo isayina abadlali by quality, so expect noma ngabe yini mhlawumbe kungavela ubonile nangendlela mhlawumbe kudlalwa ngakhona ukuthi iPirates beyinawo ama chance a chances yokuthi angawina leya game. Unfortunately, bahlulekile ukusebenzisa lawo ma-chances ku-final third.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Asikhulume ke ngebhakaniya, Cameron Danson. We were looking at him before he scored his goal,
Yeah.
and we were observing the positioning yakhe. And we knew coming into that game that the Pirates, of course, Maelana and Sundowns, they have assignments. Last time they played against the Sundowns, Batumutito, Utayomaka, Utebza.
Yeah.
And they took him out in the first half because it was an assignment and you're not doing it properly. And Utito, of course, is not a defender, but they asked him, because if we had Mukwena, ingasibulale Sundowns. So we knew that coming into this game, they're going to have assignments. Cameron Danson was sent on an assignment. Ambopazamise midfield, Abo Nuno Santos, Abo Marcelo Allende. And you could see in the first 30 minutes that he was kind of struggling.
Yeah.
His positioning, and of course, I was also asking the question when we were watching that game. So when Orlando Pirates gets the ball, and that kid has been chasing someone and Bamfaga out of position, do you expect to do a build-up? But ultimately, though, the kid redeems himself. He scores what you guys called a contender for a goal of the season. Let's talk about his performance and also talk about the goal that he scored as well.
Yeah, number one, Kulek into ngayisho, coach Orlando Pirates, he took a risk to play Utansin Gulea game. Upencha abadlali abafana no
Mbule,
Mbata and Maswanganye. If bekayiluzile leya game, bekuzaba nama question amaningi ukuthi how can you introduce Utansin no Nemtajela kuleya midfield eMamelodi Sundowns? So lucky football injalo, if you win okuningi ngeke sikubone. Silinde la khona uluza khona then sikubone. So ukintroduce umdlalo ofana no Tansin. I know Orlando Pirates, they used to do that. Baza ngama surprises kuma youngsters. Bafike bawalethe kulama game afana nalawo. So uboy uma ungambheka beka out egamini. The first 30 minutes beka lost egamini. Bengimbona and ngathi kube yona ngasho ngathi first sub kuzoba uTansin because now uma ungabheka umuntu beka sebenza abanemsebenzi omningi aba overloaded bekumdlalo ofana noNduli. If ungabheka ama blocking interception obekade wayenza uNduli to cover lama mistake obayenza uTansin. But ekugcineni uTansin wenzani? Wenza something ezomlethe egamini. To score that goal Nkuleko kumenze ukuthi abuye njengentwana abuye egamini azokwazi ukudlala. And le goal engitshela ngayo igole ngathi njengoba ngisho ngithi liyoba khona kulama goal of the season lawa sifuna ukuthi siwabone this season mayiphela le league. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kukahle kakhulu ngoba bese kumnikeza ne confidence after scoring that goal as a young kid. Uma uqeda ukukora uba ne confidence. So into engayithandanga ngayo i1 and ngikhohle ukuyisho last as a kid Nkuleko when you scored ungafuni ukuphendula ama supporter. You understand ukuthi njani? Because lento ukuthi mawuceda ufuna ukukhuluma nama supporters mina ngiboni ukuthi njengomdlali just go and celebrate.
The thing is that game is a high profile game.
Yeah.
It's a category A game. In this country, if people are coming from outside and they ask us ukuthi niphetheni sibanikeza Soweto Derby.
Yeah.
But also sibanikeza iSundowns nePirates, iSundowns neChiefs. Those are the category A matches.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that it's good what it did, but the occasion he got over it. It overwhelmed him. I remember abo Jerry Skosana ngisase intwana, mabedlala nabo Chiefs and they would have gestures, bakhombane ngeminwe. I know also Nagumdu recently scored a goal and it said people they talk too much. I know that afterwards when you're not doing well, bazokhumbuza balandeli ukuthi unawo nokukhuluma ukora. So he's putting pressure on himself, but it's a top class game. I kind of accept it, but maybe bangamkhuza bona ngaphakathi kuPirates ukuthi no ungayenzi intwana lento.
And he couldn't believe ukuthi uyo score le ball uma ngambheka.
Yeah.
Immediately after scoring Nkuleko, i-celebration iyazela noma ngabe yipi. Ungayiplananga uya understand. So baningi abadlali kade sibabona benza into efana naleya ukuthi mhlambe ba respond kuma supporters even though singazi ukuthi uresponda ku opponent or kulabalandeli mhlambe bale team wena oyidlalelayo. So mina into engayisho nje ukuthi izinto esifana nalezi manje abadlali abaningi baku social media. You know ukuthi the day ungaperformi bazoba banawo ku social media and now uzoya ku social media because busy now khona ku social media. So iyakulimaza sometimes ne performance
I suspect that actually.
Yeah.
Njengoba bamfaka esquadini, I don't know when do they put their phones away. He must have seen bekuneyinkulumo ukuthi uDamson uyapi yana. ngoba akanayo i-experience yale big game. So maybe that's part of it. I don't know where, at what point. Yes, Mabashai warm up, but it's starting lineup on skipper 1 hour before the game.
Yeah.
So maybe he must have glanced, or maybe uzwile stadium bakhala ukuthi uyakuphi uDanson, something like that.
Coaches Nkuleko babona into thina singayiboni because yiba abantu abadila ne-team ejimini. Kunezinto thina sibuza ukuthi uyapi, but yena because the coach would understand ukuthi umdingelani kuDansini. You understand? So into kumele nathi si understand ukuthi singalibona ibhola ngendlela silibona ngakhona, but ama coaches kunezinto abazibonayo thina esingaziboni because yiba abajima ne-team. So ngendlela uBoya Kore ngakhona Nkuleko, what a goal. Yazi namanje mangithi ngibukela la
World-class
ball. That guy is not a left-footed player,
Yeah.
but bheka the technique ashaye ngo-left Nkuleko. Phela uRonza uze ngomsindo emva kwebhala, akazange abone nix. Ngiyacabanga naye bayacabanga ukuthi ibhola liphumile, you understand?
Yeah.
So ukuthola abadlali abanesibindi njengabo laba aboDansini, the young kid asho ukuthi ngithathe risk. Kuleko give youngsters i-freedom benza ama-mistake, then we rectify those mistakes. If umdlali ugood nge-dribbling, then you eliminate i-dribbling yakhe to say no, play 1-2-1-2. Umbona njani? Nike example ngoVilla, uVillakazi Kaizer Chiefs. That guy can dribble.
Yeah.
But if you are limited with dribbling, uzoba ne problem because angeke akunikeze lento.
What else do you want him to
oyifunayo.
do?
We understand
Because that's
this.
his biggest strength. Asikhulume ngendaba ye-Pirates nokukwazi ukusettlisha kwabadlali.
Yeah.
I think that this warrants a discussion, and I think that perhaps as we discuss it, we conscientize people more. Ukuthi bayibone. There is a consistent pattern over the last 2, 3, 4 years. Pirates, of course, have always historically had young players coming through.
Yeah.
Yabo Giflere, Mitso, Vilakazi, Tukutuku Makanya, and so on. However, in this era that we're in this period, in the last 3, 4 years, number one, what's impressive for me is that they don't take time.
Yeah.
They come in and they seem to be ready. And that's why we kept on talking about the coach, Tukutuku Makanya, Gutidisi, they come in. Sesane, for example, if he didn't get injured, he would have been one of the best defenders for the season. Umbogazi wafika naye this year, actually, in January, but it was last season, halfway, and he slotted in. Now he's a king of defenders in South Africa at this point. We're talking about Nkota, Siema, Simpiwa Silepe, 2 minutes, he comes in, he becomes a Bafana player. There's so many players. It's the players from within Pirates and the players that they buy. There has to be something about the environment. Sundowns, and I'm not making a comparison between these teams. Sundowns and they take time to blend in. And sometimes they just have to watch the way the team plays from the stands. And this is true for other teams as well. And there's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes players will take 3 months to get used to it. Urenas was from Stellenbosch, he went to SuperSport United. It just didn't work out, because he moved to a different province. It takes time. But every time, recently, Orlando Pirates, you look at Abo Muremi, you look at Apolis, you look at their players from within, the young kids. I don't know what they do, but it's so impressive. They're able to bring in those youngsters, and they're slotting in so impressively. What do you think is the secret to ability yabo nje yokuba introduce abangene, all of a sudden, within 2 weeks, they become stars?
I think Orlando Pirates, when they promote or develop those youngsters or buy youngsters Nkuleko, but understand that the system of Orlando Pirates, how Orlando Pirates idlala ngakhona. If ukhumbula njengoba umenshina abo Benedict Vilakazi, abo Excellent Walaza, Gift Leremi, bonke nabo badlala abafana nabo Cheese Boy. Ukuthi iPirates isebenzisa speed kakhulu and isebenzisa abadlala abade. Orlando Pirates most of the time they're using abadlala abafishane because the more bamfishane is the more quick enyaweni. Lokho kumele ukwazi. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ba understand i-system ye-Orlando Pirates ukuthi idlala kanjani. Ngikhani basayina those players ukuthi ababuyi. So nangendlela i-development ye-Orlando Pirates ku-DTC badlala ngakhona basebenzisa speed. We understand. So lento labadlali mababuya beza ku first team bafika bayithola ikhona ku first team. It's easy for them ukuthi ba-click because they understand ukuthi i-team idlala kanjani. So nakho lokho kuyanceda kakhulu i-Orlando Pirates, especially kuma transfer market. They don't use a lot of money because they develop those youngsters to the first team. But the disadvantage yalokho yini ukuthi are you going to win big things now?
Yeah, League and Champions League.
Because those youngsters, they need ukuthi but itimi balance. You also need experienced players. You need to buy quality so that bazokhona understand ukuthi kuna la kufika khona kube ne stage. You need experience, not only to play enyaweni. You need experience to win those games. So that is why now it took Orlando Pirates more than a decade to win a league title. because of
Yeah.
they develop more, they concentrated more good development nokuthi bathenge babe ne-experience. Remember when Pirates won ama-league titles, bekunabadlali the likes of like Ilukhwati, abadlali abafana nabo
Benny McCarthy
abo
coming
Benny
in.
McCarthy ubheka Boroy Mahamud.
Yes.
It's not easy ukuthi kungafika i-opponent izofika ibullishe those players because
Yeah.
they were big, you understand. Look at now Umukuku, what he did to Orlando Pirates. You need abadlala abana that character to protect those youngsters.
Abantu abadala.
Abadala bakwazi ukuthi but defend those youngsters. Even if Mukuku can just come as ofuna ukubullisha intwana, then kube umdlalo ongathi una that thing, but no, you won't do this. Good this boy, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kune advantage ne disadvantage, but they are doing well the way benza ngakhona,
I
especially with
suppose
South African.
sorry to cut you, Bob.
Yes,
I
yes.
suppose I see the disadvantage,
Yeah.
and it's true that it will take you time to win the Champions League and the league. I think the light at the end of the tunnel with that is that if you keep Abombogazi and Abu Mufukeng and this group together for 6-7 seasons, by that point they will be senior players, and at that point they can win the league. But they won't win it immediately because kuzomele bafunde umsebenzi. But what I like about them is that they are nominees for defenders of the season, midfielders of the season, young player of the season. Kusho ukuthi ayibagwinyi i-league mabafika. When they're 17, 18, 19, they're not swallowed by the occasion. And that's what I compliment about it, is that surely there must be something that they're doing. Even Nombule, if you look at him, he's not taken time to struggle at Orlando Pirates when they've given him a chance. Usihle Ndule has not taken time when they're giving him an opportunity at Orlando Pirates. So it's a blend of bringing on your young players and then also signing players that are blending into your system.
Kulego, if you don't sign, zama ukuthi njengobusho, keep those players almost 3, 4, 5 seasons playing together. They will understand ukuthi yini into esifunayo. But uma ubheka amashankura, uyamdevelop boy, wenza kahle. You decided ukuthi okay, ngcono ngimhambise. Ulanda omunye futhi. Uzowina ama game, mhlambe ama trophy wama game amancane.
For sure.
Because you plan kwamanje, you don't plan ahead ukuthi yini into oyifunayo in future. That is why Kobo Sundowns, they can sign you udlale hlale 2 seasons ungadlali because ba plan ahead ukuthi sifuna ukumbona mhlambe kule season ezayo next of next umdlali akwazi ukujela understand the style of play. So Orlando Pirates, the time uboy ecabanga ukunderstanda indlela iPirates idlala ngakhona ukuthi naye abe nalento, abe na that character uma ngena enkundleni for Orlando Pirates, uthola ukuthi ama chances ukuthi ahambe semaningi. Orlando Pirates iyamrelease. Remember, Pirates is not a small team, Kuleko. It's not a team that must develop and selling club.
Yeah.
So Pirates is a big team. They must win big things. So if Orlando Pirates will keep on selling those youngsters while they don't want to buy experienced players to come a team in
banako ukuhlanganisa ama-experienced players because if you think about it, there's Mbule, there's Apolis, they've signed Moremi, you can argue that he's an experienced player, Sihle Nduli as well. So there is a blend there. Usipo Chain as well. They bought him. That's the question. That's the question. But I think for me, I will compliment them for their ability to create environment. Yini lebayenzayo lapho Orlando Pirates environment ukuthi all of these players seemingly they don't take too long. Yes, of course, Abokwaiba, they have not got an opportunity, but the majority of players, whether they come from ETTC or they come from outside, it is very easy for them to slot in. They even become contenders with national team within 2 minutes of coming at Orlando Pirates. Even though a football, a professional, in a complication, you move provinces, you go to another club, it takes you time. It doesn't seem to take them time, Orlando Pirates. And I think that's my point that I'm trying to drive. Whatever we do today, look at what Orlando Pirates is doing with these young players and how they are able to perform. Umufukeng, 2 minutes, he's a superstar. So that there's something that they're doing there. But I agree with you that, of course, if you have too many youngsters, it means you will struggle winning the league.
Yeah. So Nkuleko, bangasizwa kabi. Into Orlando Pirates yenzayo inhle kakhulu Nkuleko, especially to labadlali laba sibabonayo abancane beza ku first team Orlando Pirates. Sibabona bahamba bonkotha bayidlala abroad. So kusho kona ukuthi into right Orlando Pirates yenzayo Nkuleko, because if siyo expecta ama small team to develop labadlali ku first kulama team esibabiza ukuthi ama big teams, while lama team amakhulu nama development angasebenzi, sisho ukuthini You understand? So mina lento yenza Orlando Pirates right, but lento bengizama ukuyi-add ukuthi
Yeah, ile part disadvantage.
Exactly, we understand.
There's going to be a disadvantage there.
yeah,
I
but
can hear
bona
it.
benza
I
umsebenzi
understand.
omuhle kakhulu, benza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu.
But also, kuleyo disadvantage, they are never far away from winning the league. Mangabe bengekho Sundowns actually South Africa.
Yeah.
Still ngalabantwana laba they would have won the league. Of course we don't live in that world, but if South Africa did not have Sundowns, so they're not too far away. They are always like 10 points or 15 points away and baloko ba number 2. And they bayajaha Sundowns ngalabantwana laba.
Kusho kona ukuthi benza kahle, the different it's quality now.
For sure.
Experience esikhuluma ngayo. But bona njengoba usho if Sundowns bengayenzi the way benza ngakhona kusho kona ukuthi beku easy for bona ukuthi bangawina le league, but the standard manje ukuthi Sundowns top up lesa standard, so kuyoba nzima for bona ngalendlela ukuthi bangayiwini. Even last season ubonile uma badlala i-CAF Champions League semi-finals, ubonile ukuthi bese kudinga le experience ukuthi sidlale final because ube ne-advantage eningi yokuthi unga-repa leya game.
In fact, the Pyramids are winning experience.
Experience because uyabona basebenzisa ama-experienced players kuleya. Yeah.
Okay, we're chasing time. Our videographer is already complaining. Let's look at the top 4. That's another topic. We'll wrap it up and summarize it very quickly. So the top 4 includes Orlando Pirates. It includes Kaizer Chiefs. It also includes Sekhukhune and Sundowns. I'll give you in an order. We'll talk about how this could be the picture maybe towards the end. It's Mamelodi Sundowns with 22 points after 11 games. And then it's Sekhukhune with 20 points after 10. And then it's Orlando Pirates at number 3 with 19 points after 9. They have 2 games in hand with Sundowns. So that's if they win two matches, those are the de facto number 1s. And then it's Kaizer Chiefs as well with 19 points, same number of points with Orlando Pirates. At the beginning of the season, we were very complimentary of Kaizer Chiefs, that they won their games and they got to number 1. And then at some point, Eric Tinkler as well won their games and they got to number 1. And this man behind me, next to me, kept on saying that we know who is number 1 and number 2, and we know how the picture will look like towards the end of the season. So far, after 10 matches, which is 33% of a league, what do you see? And can you see now ukuthi lento bokhuluma ngayo eqaleni njengoba bese ngasayibona iPirates beyikona, because what ushaye 2 matches in a row at the beginning it was at number 9, now is at number 3. We can kind of see le league lesijwayele ukuthi every year it's always Sundowns and then Pirates.
Injalo Nkululeko, kumele sibheke i-consistent yamaqembu. If you are not consistent, angicabanga ukuthi unama chances yokuwina i-league. Uma ufuna ukuwina i-league kumele ube consistent and you must beat abantu okompita nabo ukuwina i-league.
Yeah.
If we Orlando Pirates ufuna i-league, beat Sekhukhune Pirates and Chiefs and Sundowns, or abanye draw nabo njengoba draw ne Sundowns, bastopha ama points but ama game asase njengoba ku Orlando Pirates. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-team efana neSekhukhune njengoba ngishizo ngathi for i-top 8 ngiyacabanga sebadlale kahle kakhulu for bona. They are safe ukuthi bangaba khona ku top 8. So ngiyabona bekho bet if bangawina le game e1 bangaba na 22 points because bana 19 manje. But so into Nkululeko ekhona.
But since we spoke about them actually, they kept losing matches. Like you were saying, ukuthi they're just holding the umbrella for number 1 when they were number 1.
Yeah.
And I think for 3 or 4 matches in a row, they just lost matches. And I was like, oh, this is like, it's like you were prophesying what we're saying.
Yeah, Nkululeko, injalo, kumele ubheke ukuthi team ine squad esingakanani. I-team efana neSekhukhune, sina i-first 11. Noma singaba mhlambe ne-bench ya 1 or 2. But kunama injuries njengoba ngishizo, kunama injuries, kunama suspension. Do you think bazokwazi yini ukuba consistent after bathola izinto ezifana nalezo, because ku league kusazoyenzeka into ezifana nalezo. So mina lapha kule sasihlalo ngisasho namanje ngibona iSundowns nePirates kuyiba abantu abazoba bacompete kule league, because na iKaizer Chiefs ungayibheka na isifanela neweather, sometimes iyawina iyaluza, you understand. So kudinga ukuthi sometimes udlale 5 games without a draw, or udlale mhlawumbe uwine 4 in a row ufuna i-league, but mawuzodlala uyawina uyadrawa uyaluza. I don't think ukuthi unama chances yokuwina i-league.
Pirates as well, it's unsurprising because ekuqaleni obviously Wadu Plama Electrician lost 2 matches in a row. He was at number 14, besimbona ku page 2 ku league and stuff like that. Now he's at number 3. He's going back to the place we expect him to be anyways.
Injalo Nkululeko, they're consistent in our Pirates. Bega they are winning. Ukuthi ba winning ama 1-0, but the fact ukuthi benzani ba collect ama 3 points. Iyo lento babeka lapha. If Pirates win wonke lama game, baya ku number 1. if
Yeah.
bawina lama game asele baya number 1 kusho kona ukuthi if bazoba consistent kulama game abi Orlando Pirates sizoyibona Orlando Pirates iku position 1 so consistent ibaleka kakhulu leligini.
All right, we'll continue with this conversation at some point in the future. Of course, the league continues, the Betway Premiership. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 of Sundowns, Skukune Pirates, and Kaizer Chiefs. I suppose the picture will be clearer the more we play football matches. We have to keep it moving. Then don't forget to watch us with Ulindo Pep as well, also released on the same day today. Please make sure you subscribe, you like our content as well. By the time you see this video, you will already know who is on which group in the CAF Champions League group stages. Not far from here, somewhere around a few corners, they are doing or conducting the draw. We'll find out who Orlando Pirates are facing, Mamelodi Sundowns are facing in the CAF Champions League, and Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch, who they are facing in the CAF Confederations Cup. Remember, all three of those teams are guaranteed 6 matches each when they go to the group stages. Thank you very much for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.